First off, I'll tell you what no one likes to admit. You can do almost everything right with your home security, and some stubborn thief will still see your front door as an invitation. Doors are like Achilles' heel to a lot of otherwise safe homes. What's wild is that a whopping 34% of burglars just waltz in through the front door. That's not a made-up stat, that's FBI data. Honestly, sometimes I think the front door must be running a BOGO sale on robberies. So, you get all these people putting locks on their doors and thinking that's enough. Here's the catch. Most burglars know how to get past those standard locks in about 12 seconds flat. Lockpicks are not just movie props, believe me. Let's talk pain points. Traditional locks can be bumped, picked, or even forced open with a well-aimed kick. YouTube has actual tutorials on this. I've watched them. Pure horror for any homeowner, and the views are in the millions. So here's where the anti-theft door security system comes in. And you better believe this thing is a big leap above the usual hardware store deadbolt. You've got everything from reinforced strike plates and longer screws to smart locks that send alerts right to your phone. Let's get into steps. First, you swap out those teensy screws in your door frame for 3-inch monsters that dig straight into the studs. Honestly, this costs you $2 and gives about 600% more resistance to anyone trying to kick down your door. Pro tip, your local hardware will have these. Step 2 is about reinforcing the actual door. You want a solid core or metal door if you don't already have one. Hollow core doors are really just slightly stiffer cardboard. The smart money always goes with the heavy stuff. Now, smart locks. Keyless entry systems are like magic, except no rabbit and you control the hat. Anytime someone tries to mess with your door, you get a notification. Some models show you who tried. Extra bonus if you've ever had a kid sneak out. Peepholes are cool, but cameras are cooler. Install a video doorbell and now you've got eyes 24/7. Most burglars run the second they see that little glowing ring. Capture it all in glorious 1080p for the police, who will thank you later. You shouldn't ignore the strike plate either. Upgrade to a heavy-duty strike plate and use those aforementioned 3-inch screws. Most stock plates are held in by sad little half-inch screws, so basically wishful thinking. A lot of systems offer door jammers or barricades too. I have one next to my bed. You kick it under the handle before you sleep, and suddenly a home invasion becomes an Olympic-level event in who can't get in first. Last, and maybe the most overlooked step, actually locking the door. Maybe this sounds obvious, but around 40% of home break-ins happen through unlocked doors. I swear, you could launch a door security system dating app, and thieves would still pick the easy setting. Look, no system is perfect, but here's the real impact. Installing just a few of these anti-theft upgrades slashes your chance of a break-in by as much as 60%. For most folks, that's the difference between losing sleep and sleeping easy. If you're in a city like Portland, rain isn't your only worry. Security matters too, so I figure every dollar in anti-theft door gear buys a little more peace of mind, and that to me is a better return than most things you can spend it on.